All right, we got the gas line dug underground. Gas line connection. I already purged the hose by pushing the button inside using a flathead. We should be prime, ready to go. So we're gonna start up this generator using natural gas. Here we go. All right, it fired up. Natural gas line hooked up. Gas line. Got my buddy Francisco over there helping out. So we did about 30 inches deep. You got 1-inch IPS natural gas underground line with the ground gas line detector right there, that yellow PVC yellow line, so that whenever you have guys that do the line detection, they could pick it up. Very, very clean installation. Quick, fast, solid work, very professional. And pretty much running in the generator. It ran pretty good. It took a while for it to start up and then eventually kicked on. So you just got to be patient, guys. Whenever you run a new line, you purge the line as much as you can. And when you feel like that's enough purge, it still needs to go through the system. So there you have it.